Are you looking for a CRM that's designed for freelancers and creative businesses? HoneyBook promises to handle everything from client inquiries to payments in one place, but does it deliver? Let's take a closer look. HoneyBook isn't just a CRM, it's a full client management platform. Beyond tracking contacts, it helps you send proposals, sign contracts, issue invoices, and even collect payments, all from a single dashboard. It's especially popular with photographers, event planners, and coaches who need a smooth way to manage clients and projects without juggling multiple apps. The biggest advantage is its workflow automation. You can create templates for emails, contracts, and invoices to save time, while project timelines help keep everything on track. The interface is modern and polished, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. Pricing starts at around $19 per month when billed annually, but most users go for the unlimited plan at $39, which includes all features with no client limits. User feedback often highlights how much time HoneyBook saves by combining CRM, project management, and payment tools in one. However, it's not perfect. Its customization is a little bit lighter compared to CRMs like perhaps HubSpot, and some advanced reporting features are missing. It's also more US focused when it comes to payment processing and all that jazz. So is HoneyBook worth it? If you're a freelancer or a small creative business looking for a beautiful all-in-one platform to manage clients, projects, and payments, it's one of the best options out there. But if you need deep analytics or advanced automation, you might look elsewhere.